Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates. So, we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with the DUI and driving without a license. DUI attorney, Morgan Hill. Drunk driving attorney, Morgan Hill. Criminal attorney, Morgan Hill. I was arrested for racing with other friends on a highway at high speed. I was also under the influence of alcohol and without a license. I'm 17 years old and I've never been in this situation. What do I do now? Okay. First of all, let's go back to the racing, street racing. You don't want to be doing that. That's reckless driving. That would be a violation of Vehicle Code Section 23103 here in the state of California. That's a misdemeanor that carries up to 90 days county jail. Please do not do that. If you're racing with others, well, there's a very good chance that they're going to get charged as well for this crime. Now, if you're under the influence of alcohol, well, first of all, how do we know you were under the influence of alcohol? How much do you weigh? How much did you have to drink? I mean, if you weigh 250 pounds of muscle and you had maybe 2 beers, you probably weren't under the influence of alcohol, or definitely not at 0.08. Now, here's the thing. Because you're a minor, it doesn't matter if you're at 0.08, because you cannot have any measurable amount of alcohol in your system. Remember, under the age of 21, it's illegal for you to drink alcohol regardless. Now, it says right here, driving without a license. That's not so much of a big deal. Of course, if you go online and read what's the potential punishment in the state of California for driving without a license, you might get scared because it's going to say that it's up to 6 months in the county jail. Yes, Vehicle Code Section 12500 states that it is a misdemeanor and you can get up to 6 months in the county jail for driving without a license. Almost nobody will actually get that, but it is a misdemeanor. Now, the good thing is that because you are a juvenile, this is going to go to juvenile court. It's not going to be handled in the conventional adult court. Juvenile court's a little different in the sense that their aim is not to punish, but to rehabilitate young people. And the good thing is that if you resolve your case timely enough, and once you get off of probation, which here in the state of California for something like this will be generally about 3 years, you can petition the arresting agency to seal your arrest record so that in the future this doesn't affect you for housing, employment, etc., etc. Because you are under the age of 18, this is something that should not affect you for the rest of your life. But heed this warning. Do not do this in the future, because once you are 18 years of age, you're not going to get the same slap on the wrist. This is definitely something that you should talk to your parents about because of your age. They should definitely be in court with you, because they're probably going to have to ask the judge for custody, because in juvenile court there is no bail system. You could be held without bail, so your parents may want to ask the court through your attorney to have you released on a GPS monitor so that you could at least stay home and not be in custody until this case resolves. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area, call us at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of an attempted kidnapping and rape of 2 minors. Criminal attorney, Morgan Hill. Drunk driving attorney, Morgan Hill. DUI attorney, Morgan Hill.